In the first few seconds of this video, you will discover the power of Stoicism and how to adopt an unshakable mindset where nothing can affect you. We'll explore practical principles you can apply daily to develop a strong, controlled, and balanced mentality, capable of handling any adversity without being rattled. If you're seeking inner peace, mental clarity, and resilience amidst chaos, this video is for you. To start, we need to understand what Stoicism is. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy born in Greece that gained popularity in Rome, especially with thinkers like Sêneca, Epictetus, and Emperor Marcus Aurelius. Essentially, Stoicism teaches us to focus only on what we can control, letting go of what is beyond our reach. This philosophy invites us to accept life's adversities with calm, understanding that while we can't control what happens around us, we can control how we respond to these situations. The first tip we can take from Stoicism to maintain an unshakable mindset is to accept life's impermanence. Everything around us is constantly changing: our feelings, life circumstances, and even the people we meet along the way. When we cling to what we can't control or insist that things always stay the same, we create internal resistance that wears us down. Stoic wisdom teaches us to accept that everything passes, and we must learn to flow with life instead of fighting against it. This acceptance brings an unbeatable inner peace. Another fundamental point is distinguishing between what is within our control and what isn't. Epictetus said, "There are things that depend on us and things that don't." Worrying about what we can't control is one of the main sources of anxiety and stress in modern life. Stoicism invites us to focus on what is directly within our control, like our attitudes, thoughts, and actions. By doing this, we start freeing our minds from useless concerns and redirecting our energy toward what truly matters. When we practice this distinction, we begin developing the third point: emotional self-control. Adversities will always arise, but Stoicism teaches us to remain calm when they do. This doesn't mean suppressing our emotions, but learning not to overreact to them. Sêneca, one of the greatest Stoics, said, "It is not things that upset us, but rather our judgments about things." In other words, how we choose to respond to situations directly impacts how we feel. By training our minds to observe our emotions without being controlled by them, we achieve a level of emotional balance that makes us nearly unshakable. Mental and physical self-care is also part of a balanced Stoic life. Taking care of our physical health is essential to keeping the mind strong. This includes healthy eating, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Stoicism values discipline, and discipline is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's also important to feed the mind with good books, meditation, or daily reflections that help us cultivate positive and resilient thoughts. Another essential Stoic principle is the concept of amor fati, which means love of fate. It's about accepting everything that happens in our life, even adversity, as part of our destiny. Instead of regretting or resisting difficult circumstances, Stoics teach us to embrace these situations as opportunities for growth. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic emperor, said, "The nature of the universe is such that whatever happens, happens as it should." When we accept life exactly as it is, without resistance, we develop incredible inner strength. Another important lesson is practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful way to redirect our thoughts from difficulties to the blessings in our lives. Even in challenging times, there's always something we can be grateful for. In Stoicism, gratitude means not only thanking life for good things, but also for difficulties, as they help us grow and make us stronger. This mental shift transforms your perspective, helping you stay calm amid chaos. Stoicism also teaches us to practice negative visualization, a technique that involves imagining the worst possible scenarios so that, if they happen, we're emotionally prepared to face them. This might seem pessimistic at first, but it's a powerful tool to help us face the unexpected with calm. When we prepare for the worst, paradoxically, we can live in the present with more ease, as we no longer fear the unknown. Another key point is resilience. Stoicism is a philosophy that strengthens our ability to overcome adversity. Resilience is cultivated when we accept life's difficulties as opportunities to build inner strength. By facing challenges head-on without avoiding or fleeing from them, we learn to trust ourselves and our abilities more. Furthermore, a Stoic knows not to be influenced by the outside world. The opinions of others, the behaviors of those around us, or unexpected events shouldn't determine how we feel or act. A mind trained in Stoicism is free from external influences. Once you master this principle, you become practically immune to external turbulence. Finally, Stoicism teaches us to live with purpose and virtue. By focusing on living according to our values and principles, we find an internal peace that external circumstances can't disturb. Living virtuously means doing what's right, regardless of rewards or external consequences. When we do this, we find a source of happiness that is lasting and that no one can take from us. These Stoic principles can be applied daily in your life to become an unshakable person who faces challenges with confidence and serenity. At Motivation You Need, we believe you can cultivate this mindset and find more balance and peace in your life. If you're ready to begin this journey, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to not miss our next videos. Share this video with someone who needs to strengthen their mind and stop being affected by life's adversities. Let's build a strong, balanced, and resilient mindset together. Until the next video, and remember, you have the power to choose how you react to the world around you. Nothing can affect you unless you allow it. Share this video with someone who needs to strengthen their mind and stop being affected by life's adversities. Let's build a strong, balanced, and resilient mindset together. Until the next video, and remember, you have the power to choose how you react to the world around you. Nothing can affect you unless you allow it.